In this video right here, we're gonna explore how you can actually go on to getting a lot of traffic right now just by sharing some free ebooks and PLRs right here. So with this right here, we can actually get targeted traffic to CPA marketing offers right now, and this strategy is gonna be 100% free one and also a beginner friendly one, and can be done from any location out there in the world. And you want to just simply replicate such strategy to start making some cool cash like I am making right here, as you can see right now. If you're new to my channel, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online. If you like such content, check out the videos on my channel because they are quite numerous and they could help you go on to boosting your income online. You could also make sure you're subscribed to the channel and your notification bell is turned on all to get alerted whenever I post some cool videos that could help you right there. So guys, with that being said and no more delay of time, let's dive right into the video of today. But the thing which you want to do first right here in this today's strategy is to get an account created on the CPA marketing platform, like a CPA grip right here. You can come right here, click on register. If you do click on that, you'll be brought to this page. Provide your basic details on all fields with the red asterisk sign. As you can see, the sign indicates the required fields that are actually necessary for you to fill out before getting an account created on this platform. You can actually go on to agree to the terms of service by checking these boxes out. If you want to read through the terms of service, click on this particular icon right here, or this text which says terms of service, and you'll be able to read through that right now. You could also go on to registering for your account, and you may be required to go on to verifying the email address which you are actually going to be utilizing. Once you do that right there, go on to login into your account. So once you're logged into your account, come onto this page where you can just simply see a lot of offers to promote right here. And to get to this page right now, you just simply have to come onto this section, select the offer tools option, and select my offers, of which you should be brought to this page. And you want to just simply filter your offers to getting offers from top tier countries like the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, or other top tier countries out there. And you can actually do see right here, guys, I'm utilizing the United States right here. If you select a country like that, you can actually see a lot of cool offers you could go on to utilizing. But it's quite important you actually take advantage of sweepstake offers out there, like giveaway offers. This is a giveaway offer for $2,500. This is a giveaway offer for $1,000. This is a giveaway offer for $10,000, and the list keep going on and on. So basically select any giveaway of your choice right now and actually see more details to the offer. There is an Apple iOS offer, an email and zip submit offer which has a payout of $2.22. All this means is that your leads need to be coming from the United States. They need to be using an Apple iOS device to submit their email address or zip code, and using this your unique affiliate link by completing a survey, and you do get paid $2.22 for every person that does that. So basically guys, you want to copy the link to this landing page or to this particular offer and create a simple landing page for that, either using the Breezy Cloud, Google Site, Systemy.io, Webflow, Warrior Plus, or any landing page builder site you can actually take advantage of. You could even use platforms like Linktree and Bio.link to create a simple landing page right there. As guys, this strategy is actually going to work with any of that right now. But the cool thing about this is that you can actually create a landing page that promotes multiple CPA marketing offers, like this one right here. As you can see, this landing page is promoting multiple CPA marketing offers. All you need to do is to create a simple landing page such as this. If you're finding it difficult creating a landing page like this, just simply head back to my channel, OJ Marketing, and you want to just simply click on this search icon, this one right here in the midst of my channel, not this one. You want to select this one right here and go on to typing in landing page. And if you do successfully type in landing page and click on enter, you're going to be able to see videos I created for you on how you could create a simple landing page. This video shows you how to promote multiple CPA marketing offers with a single landing page on Google site right here. This is for the Systemy.io, this is for the Google site also, this is for Webflow, and this is for the Breezy.cloud. So they are all cool videos. You want to just simply take out much of your time, watch the video, learn how to create a landing page, and utilize that right there to go on to making some cool cash online. So basically guys, since we're actually going to be utilizing platforms or PDFs or PLRs right there, you could get free PLRs from platforms like freeplrdownloads.com or the PDF drive right here, lifestyle.com. So there are a lot of cool platforms where you could go on to getting free PLRs you want to just simply utilize right here. And supposing I want to utilize one of this platform right here, maybe the free PLRdownloads.com, you can actually do see right here, you could get PLRs on any niche of your choice, ranging from the advertising, affiliate marketing, affirmation, Amazon, blogging, business, camping, copywriting, and a lot more niches right now. So supposing I want to just simply search for the weight loss niche, I'm just going to come right here and to this particular search section and search for weight loss. If I search for that right now, I'll be able to see some cool ebooks on weight loss or PLRs. Select any one of your choice right here, of which you'll be brought to the page where you could just simply scroll down right here and click on this download icon, and that particular PLR will be downloaded on your device right here. As you can see, the PLR has just been downloaded. What I'm going to do next is to just simply go into opening this in the file location of my device right now, and this is actually the PLR right here. I'm just going to go on to extracting this right now. As you can see, I'm going to right click on that and actually extract file. So guys, once the file has successfully been extracted, as you can see, this is the file right here. What I want to do right now is to actually leave this page open. You want to then just simply head on to this platform right here called the searchdat.com, and with this platform you could go on to editing that PDF to paste in your unique affiliate link to your CPA landing page or your CPA marketing offers. So I'm just going to click on edit PDF document right here, click on upload file, go on to this section, select that particular document. This is the weight loss right here, and this is the document weight loss and new. This is the document right here. As you can see how cool this actually is. What I'm going to do right now is to just simply put in that particular QR code at the bottom of each and every single page. And to do that right here, guys, I'm just going to come right here to paste in my unique affiliate link. Instead of using the link right there directly, I'm going to just simply utilize a QR code. Supposing I do copy the link to my landing page right now, I'm going to head on to this platform called qrcodegenerator.com. And if I do refresh this right here, I'm going to show you how to generate the QR code right now. So what you want to do is to come right here, paste in that particular link to that landing page, and it's actually going to generate a QR code for you right here. As you can see, you can then select a frame right now which you want to utilize and go on to downloading the QR code for absolutely free on your device. Once you do download the QR code, head back to that particular platform called searchdat.com and actually do go on to clicking on images. If you click on image, you want to just simply click on add new image and select that QR code. Right here I already have a QR code. I'm just going to select that right here and put that in this section. If I put that in this section, I could just simply reduce the size and actually go on to typing in a text right now. And for that text right here, I'm just going to come onto this section right now and put in something like scan QR code for a chance to win $1,000 right here. As you can see, if you do put in something like this look quite amazing right now. And what you want to do right here is to actually go on to inserting this on each page right here. As you can see, I did this for just the first page right here. You can just simply go onto other sections of this or other pages of this particular PLR and actually insert that at the footer section of this particular PLR. So insert that on all pages right here, and that is actually going to be attractive to anyone reading this particular article to scan the code for a chance to win $1,000 right now. And if they do go on to scanning the code right now, it's going to take them to this particular landing page of which they can see multiple CPA marketing offers. They complete any one right here and you do go on to earning some cool cash, and they stand a chance of winning such giveaway offer. So this is quite amazing right now, as you want to just simply utilize this right here. So heading back to search that right now, and if you insert that on all pages right there, click on apply changes, and that will actually be applied right here. As you can see right now, you'll be able to preview what you've actually edited right now. So just simply take a look at this. This is how it's actually going to look like. You can see the edited page right here. So do that for all pages, and actually once you're done, click on this download icon and that particular document will be downloaded on your device right now. Once that has been downloaded on your device, next you want to just simply go on to promoting that ebook for absolutely free right now, just by utilizing some cool free social media platforms like Facebook right here. If you head on to Facebook, target Facebook related groups to that particular niche which you are focusing on. So if I just come right here and search for something like weight loss, weight loss USA, because that is the demographic I'm promoting my offer to. You can actually do see groups related to that particular niche right now, which is the weight loss USA. If I do go on to selecting this group, guys, there's a probability that about 90% or 90 to 95% of individuals in such groups are actually from the United States. So what you want to do right now is to just simply go on to generating this very cool and amazing post you can use to just simply promote that offer. All you need to do is just simply write a post right here telling them that they should check out this ebook right there. It helped you with your weight loss journey, and paste in that particular ebook for absolutely free. You're not going to be pasting a link to the ebook. Paste the ebook itself so that people can easily go on to accessing the ebook, download the ebook, and actually utilize that right there. So in reading through that ebook, they'll be able to see your URL file locker or that particular code which you actually inserted right there, for them to go on to scanning the code and gaining access to your offers. And if they complete such offers, you make such money, some cool cash doing so. So utilize this platform right here to do such that something similar to that right there. Since you are not actually going to be promoting any link, your post will actually be made available on this platform right here. It's not going to get blocked by any admin right now. So you can just simply head on to other groups right here, such as this one, and you can see this one right here, and all other amazing groups right now to do similar strategy and get a lot of traffic to this right now. You could also go on to promoting that on platforms like Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, and so on and so forth, and get much more traffic. So if the video was helpful to you, why not just simply smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.